Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. Have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you. I have a problem. Usually kasi late na dumadating yung statement. Tapos, ngayon di akong time, there is a time na naka-infer ako na different yung manual computation ko sa actual. So, I'm afraid I might get charges again. So, can you help me up with this?
Okay. Ma'am, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. And then, let me assure you that this will be given immediate action. So, for the meantime, tatawagan na muna natin yung customer service so that you can know your outstanding balance.
Okay.
Can I have your credit card number?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. Hello? Yes? Yes, ma'am. The credit card number is 5180-9600-0101-8007. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ma'am, your outstanding balance is 5,801.45 cents.
Okay, thank you very much.
And this is payable November 5.
November 5.
Sige, pwede mo nang i-bayad yan, ma'am. And then, later, pwede natin po siyang i-enroll yung sa i-email na lang nila yung ano ni ma'am.
Mas mabuti. Okay. Thank you.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Mag-inquire po ako about sa car loan.
Okay. Sige, ma'am. I-endorse kita sa sales officer natin.
Okay, thank you.
ma'am. Halika na.
Cut.
Sige ko no.
Sige lang.
I-ano ko no, i-review ko naman po.
Uy, basta ko ang ko, nag-smile ko. Ay, conscious kay kung ngayon